Hello, welcome to Keto Recipes. Every Tuesday I would like to release a video that falls into the keto eating plan. Haven't been fantastic at sticking to my diet plan, but at least I keep making the videos. Hopefully I'll start eating the food I already have instead of buying the food I have in the habit of buying. But this is kind of an interesting recipe because it's a hamburger sausage broccoli Alfredo. It has steamed broccoli in it. I've never steamed broccoli before, so that's a new experience, steaming broccoli. And I got a chuckle out of the name of this recipe. I've had it for in my to-do list for a while, but it's kind of funny. The recipe name is called Hamburger Sausage Broccoli Alfredo, and it's funny how many recipes I come across online. It's the name of the recipe is like the ingredient list of the recipe. It's almost like it's hamburger, sausage, broccoli, cream cheese, garlic, oregano. Anyway, let's go ahead and get into it. Alright, and here's all what's in it. It starts off with a pound of ground beef, 1 pound of sausage, a teaspoon of oregano, a small onion, a clove of garlic minced, 10 to 12 ounces of broccoli florets, 8 ounces of cream cheese, a half a cup of heavy cream, a half a cup of Parmesan cheese, and 8 ounces of mozzarella cheese. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, that's up to boiling now, so I'll add the basket. There, and then I'll put the broccoli in there. Ooh, a bit more broccoli than it needs in that dish there. But now I'll put that on the layer and put that to medium and let that cook, and let the onions and meat cook. The onion, meat, and garlic cook. If I understand right, that should take about the same amount of time, so let's let that cook. Okay, it's just about browned up now. These are really green. I'm using a pan that's slightly smaller than the one I usually work with, and I gotta tell you, my roommate's dog is really appreciating this recipe. But let me go ahead and get that. Doesn't look like it. Still looks a little pink on camera, but I think that's just the sausage, since sausage doesn't usually brown all the way through. But let me go ahead and get that drained. Alright, got it drained and rinsed. Now I'm going to add in the oregano and mix up a bit. And now that it's all mixed up, I'm going to add microwave the cream cheese for about 45 seconds. It's been, let's get it all mushed up. It's kind of popping in the microwave. I haven't seen that do that before. So now I'll add in half a cup of the heavy cream. I'll get that mixed up. And now I'll add in the half a cup of Parmesan. Okay, got the meat mixture in the dish there, and now I'm going to add the cream sauce in there. And I'll go ahead and mix that all up. I was kind of surprised to see that on the instructions to mix it all up like this, because I was assuming it was going to be kind of a layered kind of dish, but it looks like they really want you to mix it all up. I did make sure to put spray of some of the olive oil spray that I have underneath that dish, because I'm sure it's going to be real fun to clean if you forget to grease the pan. I bet it'd be really good with some green beans in it right now. That's more like stroganoff, isn't it? Anyway, but now I'll top it with the broccoli. There it is, covered in broccoli, and now I'll add the mozzarella on top of that. Now that it's covered in the mozzarella, I'll go ahead and put it in the oven at 345 for 35 to 45 minutes. Okay, it's been going for about 40 minutes now, so we'll go ahead and see how it turned out. Ooh, that smells really good. Probably could have kept it a little bit longer, let it a little crispier on some of the edges, but yeah, I think that's about done. gonna wait for it to stop boiling before I boil it up, and well, but that's pretty much it for the hamburger, sausage, broccoli, Alfredo, and hamburger, sausage, broccoli, sour cream. Not sour cream. I keep saying I'm gonna say sour cream, but anyway, that's that recipe, and that's pretty easy recipe. Just extra step to boil the broccoli. But yeah, that's not too bad. Okay, there's it all dished up. Kind of smaller smaller servings. Well, I was gonna say maybe it's intended to have it with a side, but not left to go with. Other than, you know, there's all the veggie and the meat and the recipe there. But anyway, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe and all that good stuff. Patreon link below, recipe link below, and have a nice day.